Hello guys, today I want to show you how to use Kling AI for free. So first head over to Kling AI official website, click on Experience Now. Now we will be directed to the sign up page, so click on Sign In on the left sidebar, sign in with email and click on Sign Up for free. Here is the trick here. We must use a temporary email, Gmail or email account provided on the internet to access Kling AI with free. It's like we own a pro account. So head over to Google and type in temporary Gmail. Just click on this second link, mail ticking, and copy the first Gmail that the website provides you. Click on Copy Mailbox, head over to the email address and paste and add your password here. Add a strong P password with symbols and letters, and add your password. So, click on Next Step. This will ask you to complete the verification security. Let's drag this and you should be good to go. Now we received a code to our Gmail account. Let's refresh here. Activate. So check emails. We are already received our code on the temporary Gmail account. It's back here and paste, sign in. And this operation is successful. We get available credits to create the image generation, video generation. Let's try it now. We have 66 credits. So let's create, for example, falling from the ladder video with a prompt. And hit generate, and we should have our video generated successfully. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment.